MedilinkWM is part of the national organisation Medilink UK. We're the West Midlands industry support organisation for companies in human life sciences. Life sciences is defined as the study of human biology and the application of technology to that science. We specifically concentrate on supporting the industrial sectors within human life sciences, which are medical diagnostics, medical biotechnology, medical technologies and pharmaceuticals. It's the region we're set in, the West Midlands, my own region. We have a strong heritage and tradition in manufacturing, in problem solving and solutions. And therefore the UK economy is well placed to manufacture the new technologies, the innovation that we need to go forward. We have to go back to the opportunity and the strengths that we have in the UK, and specifically in the West Midlands, and use those manufacturing skills and use those technological skills and the scientific base that we have to serve new markets. And obviously healthcare as a market is going to continue to grow.
Within the UK, life sciences is quite a new term that's being used. The government has recently started using it within the last 6 months, and with the new BIS document that's come out, it has stated that life science is going to be a major economic driver for UK PLC. Life sciences globally is a massive opportunity for companies, especially those who haven't looked at how they can apply their technologies into the healthcare markets. But companies are realizing that it's complicated, it's regulated, it doesn't follow the typical supply chain. A Medilink is an organization that can help companies like this be able to access those markets and be able to realize those opportunities for their companies.
Kimal's main areas of business, actually we started in cardiology in the very early 60s. We work in cardiology, in radiology. We're very much a catheter and complete procedural solution related company. We started exporting probably almost 30 years ago, and we started very much in Europe and the Middle East, and those have been our strongholds and still account for probably some 90% of our total exports. But over the last number of years we've really been trying very hard to globalize our brand a lot more. The British market just isn't big enough for the sort of investment that's necessary in regulatory and all of the support you need in healthcare. So you have to open up a worldwide demand. And for us, in terms of our strategy, going global has been a really big key for us, and it's something where we're putting increasing amounts of resources. So MedilinkWM has been a big help, I think, to the industry. One of the problems is that we're such a disparate industry. If you look at healthcare and medical devices, there are a few thousand, generally small to medium-sized companies. The one good thing that we've seen with the collaboration that's been going on is that we're working much more, certainly here in the West Midlands, by bringing the companies together, meeting at top levels, having people helping and supporting us has really made a big difference. And through the work that they've done in things like MyLink, they've helped us with work on tenders and issues such as that. So it's been a big support for a company like us, and particularly with regard to what we're trying to do on the international stage.
In these times, it is pretty typical for a company to stick with what they know. But the great thing is the RDAs, especially in the West Midlands, are investing in the life sciences market and helping companies to take their products, partner it with potential clinical or academic collaboration, and move into a new market space. It's easier than you think.
Well, traditionally we were very much involved with the engineering industry. Initially tool making, in particular plastics tool making for moulds of all different types. And in the last 2 or 3 years we've also worked into the medical and healthcare areas. At the moment healthcare is relatively small, probably around 3 to 5% of our turnover, but it is an area that's growing quite quickly, so we've probably doubled our sales in that sector over the last year. It's probably not as challenging to move into the healthcare sector or life sciences sector as people might think. A lot of the underlying technology that we've developed for the engineering industry can be applied relatively easily into the medical sector. And a lot of our customers in the traditional engineering sector are making the same transition. And they can again use the same technology to manufacture medical components. I mean, in particular, if you look at a material like titanium, which is well established within the aerospace industry, it's exactly the same technology that you use to machine a titanium component for perhaps a knee joint or something like that in the medical sector. In terms of helping us move into the healthcare business, MedilinkWM have been very helpful. I mean, we've got a lot of technology, but it's not all appropriate to the medical market, so they've been helping us to identify the areas where our technology would be most useful. And healthcare is very much a network-based type of industry, where almost the people you know is as important as the products you provide. And again, that's an area where Medilink have been able to help us in terms of introducing us to people from the industry that either we can help with our products or that can help us to develop better products for their particular sectors. Looking to the future, we definitely expect the healthcare industry to be a bigger part of our turnover. There's a huge market out there, and it's a growing market, and it's one we're very keen to be part of.
We at MedilinkWM would encourage manufacturers in all sectors to contact us. One of the important opportunities that we have in the UK is that life sciences and the need for solutions in medical technology, healthcare, pharmaceutical pulls from all sectors of manufacturing. There are opportunities here, and our markets are growing because of the demographic pressures and the demand curves that we're seeing. You have an opportunity to sell your manufacturing capability into a growing market and not a plateauing market as we're seeing in other parts of the economy.